How you can install apps on your Huawei MatePad, what you have to keep in mind, you will find out in today's video. But before we get started, a little note, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you always know what's going on and what's up to date. So let's get started. You have already installed the AppGallery on the Huawei tablet, and here you can find almost every app. There is the misconception that you can no longer download apps just because you don't have a Google Play Store. And that is simply wrong, because there are enough app stores, Play Stores, as they are called, where you can download every app. We will skip the whole thing here. Here you can see games that are pre-installed or that I can pre-install. I don't need all of that, that's why I skipped it. I don't want to add this widget either, so I'll leave it out. Here is a new version of the AppGallery, which I will now install. Maybe there is something new, be it a security update or new functions. That's why I'm installing this new version. I think you can already see here that there is everything from Snapchat, Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever. You can install everything here. If we go in there now, you can download every app here. You can already see here that Snapchat, TikTok and whatever is possible here. I'll enter something here so you can see what is possible here. And this has already been found. There is the Aurora store. And the Aurora store is nothing different for everyone who wants to have the Google services. Be it Google Mail or Google Maps or whatever. We start by downloading the Aurora store here. And then show you that the Google services also work here. As I said, the Google Maps or Google Mail and the Google Play Store. That's all possible here. And with this app, namely Aurora Store, everything is downloaded and installed. And now we have the option, or now we have to sign up with our Google account, so that we can just download apps. But first we have to install the unknown apps. We activate that, because otherwise we can't install unknown apps and go back. We find that in the permissions. And now we have to sign up with our Google account by tapping here on Google. Then you see the micro G services above and we click on sign up with our Google account. It takes a moment and everyone knows this window. Now we have to enter our email address here, our Gmail address. In the next window, the password, you know that all. And then OK. Then of course we have to agree. That is also known. And now we are registered with our Gmail account and we don't really have to do more. Just click OK and that's it. And when we open the Aurora store again and tap on Google, we see our account. Of course we have to select that and click OK. And now I have registered my Google account here and can now use everything, can download all the Google services here. You can already see all the apps here, the most famous and the most used apps like Spotify, Facebook, and what else do I know? Just take a look at how many apps there are here, just tap on them and that's it. I will now download a Google service so that you can see how the whole thing works. First I will download Google Maps. And you see, here is the whole thing and I can install and download it very easily. But let's take another app that we need, namely Google Mail, which everyone needs. We enter it here and click on it and on install. And now Google Mail is downloaded and installed and we can open and read our emails here directly with our Huawei MatePad. So just click on install and on open. And within a second I opened it all and can read my emails here directly on the tablet, as you can see. Absolutely without problems, without error messages. So, go on and here are my emails and you can see how easy it works. And you can do that with any app and any Google service. You can do the whole thing. You don't need any G-Space, Micro or whatever they're all called here. No, with Aurora, your own store, it works great. Do you have any questions? Use the comment function. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.